Welcome to Sheriff and Vibe, the place for news, deals, features, fun events, and entertainment. Now, we like to bring you the first to market as it relates to all that's happening within the travel industry. And RIU has rolled out RIU Pool Party. Yes, you heard it right. RIU Pool Party in select properties along the RIU brand. Now, you may know that RIU has over 100 hotels worldwide, ranging from the Caribbean, South America, Central America, and Europe. There is even a RIU in Asia. There's a RIU in Times Square. RIU is everywhere. And what is the signature RIU activity is the fact it is as you like it. So, new in RIU Santa Fe, RIU Los Cabos is RIU Party, and RIU Party comes in different shades, different colors. So there's white party, and there is neon party, there is jungle party. I would not even want to try to explain this to you. You have to see it for yourself. So the next time you think about where shall I go, what's the vibe, what's happening, give us a call here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. Maybe one of the 4 nights where RIU Party is happening might just be the night for you to entertain yourselves in RIU style. We're here for you, your RIU specialist. Give us a call, 347-757-6728. Locally, it's 876-345-1437. RIU has done it again. They have outdone themselves. You might ask, when is it going to happen in Jamaica? I can't say, but I do know RIU Santa Fe and RIU Los Cabos in Mexico. Those are the resorts right now with the pool party. Get involved. Cash in. Remember, no visa required from Jamaica to Mexico. Time to take a RIU experience through the Caribbean and South America. From me at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, it's ciao for now.